I just wanted to know how to align this course with my level 3, because level 3 I feel it's more like CFA exam in the sense per se, it's more like theoretical. So this is more into equity research. So during, I just wanted to know how to align that and what is the correct approach actually.
Correct. Perfect. I'm telling you. So yesterday, a student came to me in Calcutta. I will not take name. And the student has cleared CFA level 3. And uh, he is seeking out jobs. Unfortunately, he comes from a well-off family. I said unfortunately for a reason. And he got two job offers earlier, but then he thought not to join them, so he rejected them. And now he's not getting any jobs at all. Suddenly, एकदम dry up हो गया. I asked him a simple question. Can you create a financial model of a company? And I asked him genuinely, eye to eye, and he said no. So I said, if you complete CFA program, all the levels, and you can't create a financial model in which you can defend, in which you can speak and speak about the story of the company, believe me, the doors are closed. There is no way. And what you are saying, Aarti, about the fact that level 3 is theoretical, it's not that way. Let me explain. Level 3 is taking you to the position of the CIO, Chief Investment Officer. And just imagine, if you are the CIO of a big fund, do you think you will create a financial model? No way. You will never touch Excel. You will never create a financial model. You will be focusing on stuff like how much of the funds are to be allocated to emerging markets versus developed markets. और emerging markets में इंडिया वर्सेस ताइवान कोरिया जो चल रहा है अभी उसमें कितना पैसा एलोकेट होगा व्हाट इज रूपी गोइंग टू डू यू विल आस्क योर इकोनॉमिस्ट टू सर्व यू ठीक है एंड टेक दोज डिसीजन सो लेवल 3 इज अ वेरी फैंटास्टिक अफेयर इट इज नॉट इमेजिनिंग यू टू बी गोइंग आफ्टर 10 lakh 12 lakh 15 lakh 20 lakh job we are going to multi crores in a span of 5 years, 10 years down the road, once you complete level 3, they're imagining that in 10 years, 15 years time, you will become the chief investment officer. Okay. So I would not connect them that way. It's a deep respected program, level 3, believe me. But I would say that things start from the base. CIO तो बाद में होगा ना. We have to start from somewhere. Even if you want to get into wealth management, you want to get into investment banking, there is no opening without financial modeling. So anybody who is doing the CFA program, anybody who is doing the FRM program, anybody who is doing CA and wants to get into finance, and if it doesn't do financial modeling the AI augmented way, okay, by understanding deep dive industry ka knowledge, he is there for a negative surprise. Okay, so that's what I would like to tell you. As far as your examinations are concerned, if you are sitting in Feb 27, I think you can manage both financial modeling together with level 3. If you are sitting in this August, obviously don't do financial modeling right now. Abhi mat karo. Sit for your examinations. That's a very important examination. Money is invested, passion is invested. And uske baad you start financial modeling.